We love seeing the sophisticated style of women in the royal family, so getting to see them in their wedding dresses is a rare treat. We'll show you 10 of the most iconic royal wedding dresses that ever made it to the altar. But first, make sure you're subscribed to the taco for more videos. Let's get started. Princess Claire of Luxembourg. During her 2013 wedding to Prince Felix, Princess Claire of Luxembourg wore a gorgeous dress that was totally over the top. We're used to seeing rather demure royal dresses, but this El Saab wedding dress was definitely designed to impress. This Lebanese designer is no stranger to creating clothes for the Luxembourg royal family, and decided that the princess could pull off a 3-meter-long flowing train. Spectators were in awe of the ivory-colored silk, which was intricately embroidered with Chantilly lace floral motifs, and shimmered with delicate silver thread. For her first time wearing a tiara, she chose the Grand Ducal family's floral tiara, resplendent with diamonds, and a pair of stunning diamond earrings. Princess Stephanie of Luxembourg. Here we have another incredible creation by El Saab, designed for a member of the Luxembourg's royal family. In 2012, Princess Stephanie married Ludog, the Grand Duke of Luxembourg, at Our Lady of Luxembourg's Cathedral. She needed the help of her bridesmaids, Princess Alexandra and Antonio Hamilton, to help her handle her amazing wedding dress. It was custom-made, naturally, and featured a 14-foot-long train. Putting this gown together was no easy feat, and it's made of 50,000 pearls, 80,000 crystals, and 10,000 meters of silver embroidery thread. Putting all of this together into one dress took a team of seamstresses over 4,000 hours of work. Princess Charlene. An epically embellished creation of beads and lace may look amazing, but Princess Charlene of Monaco decided a more modern and sophisticated look for her wedding. In 2011, she married Prince Albert II of Monaco in a minimal and chic dress designed for her by Armani. Privé, the delicate shade of ivory off-the-shoulder design and sleek silhouette were incredibly flattering. Although it may look simple, it is adorned with 40,000 Swarovski crystals and 20,000 mother-of-pearl teardrops. Unlike many other royals, Princess Stephanie opted not to wear a tiara, but instead opted for some beautiful diamond hair clips which belonged to her grandmother. Duchess Kate Middleton. While we can't wait to see what Meghan Markle's royal wedding dress will look like, we love looking back on Kate Middleton's gorgeous wedding dress. Fashion icon Kate worked closely with Alexander McQueen designer Sarah Burton to create a gown that was both sophisticated and traditional. The ivory gown featured a satin bodice, slightly padded at the hips in signature McQueen style. Traditional Carrick-Macross craftsmanship was used to create the delicate floral motifs, using a technique which dates back to the 1800s. Spectators were in awe over the breathtaking details, including Chantilly lace sleeves and the delicate applique on the bodice. The dress she wore to Prince William definitely cemented her status as a fashion icon. Queen Soraya. Although sadly her life wasn't known for being a happy one, Queen Soraya of Iran once wore one of the most beautiful wedding dresses of all time. She married Shah Mohammad Reza Pahlavi in 1951 at the Marble Palace in Tehran. Her dress was made of 37 yards of silver lame and embellished with pearls, 6,000 diamond pieces, and 20,000 marabou feathers. Pulling off such an incredible dress takes style and some strength as well, since this strapless wedding gown weighed about 44 pounds, and that's not even including the accessories, like the matching jacket and veil or the full-length white mink cape. Princess Grace Kelly. We definitely can't discuss breathtaking wedding dresses without mentioning the one worn by Princess Grace Kelly of Monaco. She really nailed the fairy tale princess look during her wedding to Prince Rainier, and relied on Academy Award-winning costume designer Helen Rose to pull it off. The dress used 100 yards of silk and was immaculately constructed down to the tiniest seed pearl. Instead of a tiara, Kelly opted for a Juliet cap, created using pearls, lace, and a wreath of paper orange blossoms. But a beautiful dress is nothing without a beautiful bride, and her veil was specifically designed to show her face as much as possible. Princess Diana. Okay, so keep in mind when you see these massive sleeves that the wedding of Princess Diana and Prince Charles did take place in the 80s. The public was so eager to know what her dress would look like that it was deemed the most closely guarded secret in fashion history. It was created by David and Elizabeth Emanuel, and it was elaborately embroidered with 10,000 pearls. It has the longest train yet, stretching out 25 feet down the aisle behind Diana. Apparently, the train was something that Diana had insisted on, even though all of that taffeta ended up being difficult to shove into the royal carriage. Duchess Sarah Ferguson of York. Planning a wedding is hard, and it can be difficult to throw one that really represents you as a couple. Duchess Sarah Ferguson worked with designer Linka Sarek to create the perfect dress for her wedding to Prince Andrew. Not only did the Duchess want a ton of intricate beadwork, but she wanted to create images depicting things that held sentimental value to the couple. This included hearts, anchors, thistles, and bumblebees. The 17-foot-long train also featured the couple's initials sewn into the fabric with silver beads. Inside the dress, the clever design and delicate boning ensured an incredibly flattering fit. Lady Helen of Windsor. We love royal weddings that stand out from the crowd, like this one worn by Lady Helen of Windsor. She married art dealer Tim Taylor at St. George's Chapel at Windsor Castle. The unique features of the building were used as inspiration for the remarkable shape of the wedding gown. The wide neckline and short sleeves were created to resemble the arches of the chapel and make this dress stand out among many others. The fit of the dress is positively immaculate, and the embroidery was designed to complement the diamond and pearl tiara that the bride would be wearing. Queen Letizia Ortiz of Spain. Between a tumultuous political climate and a torrential downpour of rain, the wedding of Queen Letizia and King Philippe was a difficult one to pull off. But in addition to all the memorable moments, the Queen's gorgeous dress definitely stands out. It was designed by Manuel Portegas, and he used silk woven with silver and gold threads to create a unique and beautiful wedding gown fit for a queen. A 15-foot-long train trailed down the aisle behind her, which provided a stunning contrast to the slim fit of the gown. Her mother-in-law, Queen Sophia, had recommended the designer, and seems that she steered her daughter-in-law in the right direction. Which one of these royal wedding dresses is your favorite? Let us know in the comment section, and then click subscribe to get the latest videos from the taco. Thanks for watching.